Here with another Let's Do Math video. You may recognize the cringe. Yes, it's Kristen McCool's son. I have the same amount of cringe. Okay, we're going to be doing factoring a quadratic trinomial. A quadratic trinomial is a polynomial with a term of degree 2 and 3 terms. I know, folks, I care about just as much as you do. It's not fun. So, you plop the 10 from over here, 7 over here, but without the x. And now, you fill in these two things by finding what two numbers add up to 7, yet multiply to 10. Rack your brains for a while. Obviously, it was 2 and 5. Be faster next time, because it multiplies to 10 and adds to 7. Yeah, so cool. And now that you've done this, you can move on to the second part, the box. You plop an x squared from here over there, and you plop a 10 over here. That's the first step in your thing. Next, you add an x in front of the 2x as your identity change. What's up? It's new. Same with the 5x. Now you've got your box. Second step, you start doing the things. You have to find what two numbers make the number inside the box. For x squared, it's x and x, so I put that there. This isn't mandatory, but it'd be good to put on opposite sides. Next, you've got this. What two numbers adds up to 5x? Multiplies to 5x. You put a 5 here, because 5 times x is 5x. 5 over here. 5 times what equals 10? Obviously 2. Be faster. 2 over here as well. And there you have it. You've got this. Now you're wondering, why in frick's name would we do this boring stuff? Well, we're trying to turn this sum into a product. Nope, no products. No products for you, not yet. So you take this thing and you make the sum by just being a lazy boy and adding everything inside of this into one bland equation. X squared plus 2x plus 5x plus 10, which you may recognize to just be an unsimplified version of this equation. Expression. Now, erase it because I don't got enough room. And so the reason we did all this is to create a product. Yeah, a product. A product is the reason you put the sides. You may be a skippy boy, but you should not, so that way you can do this. Just put double parentheses right over here, and then you take one side's lines along the side, x plus 2 for this expression, x plus 5 for this one. And voila, you have yourself an exquisite, extra fine product. Now, for problem 2, expression 2, you got 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. Changing the color for a change of pace. That's green. Red. So, first, you plop off the 2 over here. Looks like a z, it's a 2. Fools, don't be fooled. And a negative 3 over here. What thing adds to negative 3 and multiplies to 2? I don't know. Let's think. Negative 1 and negative 2. Yeah. Oops, wrong one. That's a 1, folks. That's a 1. Now that we've got this, you know the drill. You plop the x squared over here, 2 over here, and then you plop the negative x over here, and the negative 2x over here. And you can now start making your own bona fide, bad French accent things. Looks like a plus, it's an x, don't be fooled. Now he's got this. What multiplies to negative x if you got x on one side? Obviously negative 1. Be faster next time. I'm disappointed. Now, this one is obviously negative 2. Be fast. Be fast. Now that you've got this, oops, erase it. Wow. You can go on to doing the sum thing. You're all lazy. We all know it. Do the sum part. And then you can turn that into the product. You don't even have to do the sum part, but show your work, so do it. Oops. Then you take the sides, x minus 1 and x minus 2. And there you are. Voila, you've got yourself a bona fide product. Next on to the final problem. Oops. I'm leaving it there. For all of you people that can't stand stuff like this, it's okay. Live with it. Plop a negative 18 over here, and a negative 7 over here. And now you gotta find, let's add it up to negative 7 and multiply to negative 18. It's gotta be one negative and one positive, or else it wouldn't work. So how about, 2 and negative 9. Yeah, be faster. That works. Doesn't it, folks? Agree with me. Can I get a quick clapping? Everybody clap for me. I'm so smart. So then, you add an x squared and a negative 18. That's pretty good. Then you add the magical identity crisis change numbers 2 and negative 9. And you've got your box. Now, I know you're not enjoying this, so to spice it up, let's make it in yellow so it's hard to see. X, 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 X. What is this thingy? Obviously 2. Yoink. I'm going to yeet myself a number negative 9 over here, and you've got it. Write yourself a sum. Let me cough. Yep, now you got a sum. I'm going to erase it. To all those people whose eyes are burning, I'm changing it back because my eyes hurt too. Back to black. Because black's cool. Now, black like my soul. Wah. So, now we can do the product, which is negative x plus 2. That's a 2. Ignore that. 2.
Why would this be negative x?
That's a positive x. That line was already there. Wah. X plus 2 and x minus 9. Thank you guys for watching the podcast. Subscribe to PewDiePie. We're winning. Thank you and goodbye.